Welcome to SBJ Academy. Today I am introducing another Excel utility, HDFC Bank NEFT or RTGS form. Already we have so many Excel utilities. This is HDFC Bank NEFT or RTGS form automated in Excel. Every day all the organizations have to transfer their money to the creditors or for any expenses. Every time we have to write this form manually. So the manual work is very time consuming, tiresome and very chance to happen errors because nowadays the account number have 12 to 18 characters. Some account numbers have so many zeros and IFSC code have zeros and some IFSC code have O, I. So 0 and O, 1 and I. When we are writing by hand, the reader cannot understand whether it is 0 or O. So if it is in computerized format, we can find out the O and 0 separately. This is the automated Excel utility of HDFC Bank NEFT or RTGS form. This is automated form. Whenever we are scrolling the data, the beneficiary details will be fetched automatically. So I will introduce the parts. First of all, we have a database. This is the database for recording the details of the beneficiary. Here the beneficiary name, name of the beneficiary bank, branch, account type, IFSC code and account number. This will be elaborated in a database. Whenever you are getting the bank details of somebody for fund transfer, first you have to mention here. Here you can write their name, bank and everything. This will be very useful for future purpose also. At any time if you want the details of the anybody, you can get it from this database. So this is the first step. Record all the details of the beneficiary in the database. The second step is create our own database, that is database of the organization. Suppose if we have 5 companies or 6 companies or 10 companies or 1 company and that everybody have account with HDFC Bank, we can use a single form for all these companies. So in the database we will detail our organization name, account number, bank branch, PAN number, mobile number given in the branch and who is the signaturing authority from our side, our email ID and office address. So all the company's name and all these details will be elaborated in the database, another database. This is second database. Now we have completed the database. Now go to form, NEFT form. The beneficiary names will be loaded here. See, what are the names mentioned in the database will be loaded here. You can type here. Whenever you type the names, you will get it. Or you can click here for drop down list, you will get the name. Here you have to mention the amount. I am writing here 2,50,000. So check in number here. It is asking whether it is post-dated or not. Nothing. See now the Sharafuddin, his account number, his bank, his bank branch, IFSC, amount in figures, amount in words and everything will be loaded automatically. In the remitter details, our company name, our bank account details automatically fetched. So if you are changing the name here, this data will be changed automatically. See here, now see here, I am scrolling the name. So the name will be changed automatically. So with a fraction of a second, you can create the form without any errors. Here, if you want to change our company, you can select from the company. Now I have selected company 1. So the company 1 is selected, company is loaded here and company bank details is also loaded. I am selecting the company 2. The company 2 is selected here and company account is loaded. Now 2,50,000 is the NEFT form. Click here, go to check. The check is also ready because when we are submitting the NEFT form, we have to give a check for that amount along with the NEFT form. So the check is also automatically it is created. You can insert the check to the printer and get it printed. It is automatically created. Now go to the form. We can see the print preview of the form. Print preview of the form. You can take the printout of the form and you can sign here. Attach check to this form. Give it to the bank. This is very simple and error free. I will show one more time how many seconds it will take for filling an NEFT form. I think it may take only 5 seconds. See, select the name. First of all, select the name. Enter this amount. Enter the check number. If you want to change the company, you can change from here or keep the company same. Now the form is ready. Now you can print the form. You can also print the check, attach check with the form. You can submit it to the bank. So this type of so many utilities we have. I will introduce one by one how to prepare this utility, and it is very useful in our day-to-day office work. In this utility, we have one more chance to study the Microsoft Excel very well because here I have used so many functions from the Excel. Here I have used the upper function. We have already studied in our previous classes what is the use of upper function and how it is using. Here I have used the VLOOKUP function for fetching the data. So we can study VLOOKUP, and here I have used VLOOKUP along with the concatenate function. So VLOOKUP and concatenate we can study. Here macro is enabled. Here I have used HLOOKUP. Already here it is VLOOKUP and here I have used HLOOKUP. So many Excel functions I have included here. So not only you can use the form, but you can study the Microsoft Excel very well. You can create this type of forms for your day-to-day office work. You can also do. So watch my channel and subscribe my channel. You can get all the notifications in the future. This type of so many forms, useful forms I will upload. I will teach you how to prepare this type of forms. So for getting the notification in real time, kindly subscribe my channel. So many useful forms, so many useful day-to-day office work. So many forms I will introduce. These all forms can be used every day in our office work. Okay, these all are for study and for day-to-day use. So subscribe my channel for all these type of forms, study classes and everything. Bye.